herbivore that can survive in these extremes because they grow this longer hair coat that's light brown in color, and every hair strand is hollow inside. There's air trapped in there, so that keeps them warm. Well, what happens when they migrate in the late winter and spring to move from the woods out to the open to have the babies? They can't go very far without encountering some of these 3 million lakes I was bragging about earlier. You can't see a 600-pound bull caribou when he's in water over his head because he's still got his winter coat on, and it's just like a life jacket. All the air trapped in there keeps him afloat. He's also got great big feet, and he can motor through that deep water just like a boat. Amazing adaptation. And those big feet allow him to walk on the snow with stability too. And that's how he feeds himself, and so does she. You see, the word caribou literally means deer who shovels or deer who paws the ground. And that's how they get their food. They use those big feet. They'll dig a hole in 6 feet of snow and graze on the lichen or moss or sedge that are down there as though the snow wasn't there. Adaptation. Now, the females grow antlers just like the male. She's the only female deer that will lose her antlers just like he does at a different time during the year and regrow them. Well, let's talk about modern adaptation. In 1968, we decided to build an 800-mile oil pipeline right down the middle of Alaska. And a lot of people sincerely felt that that would be the end of the caribou. How's it worked out? 750,000 caribou live in Alaska today in 31 different herds. And the 2 herds that have lived closest to the pipelines have grown in population 40% in that period of time. The pipeline is warm. They snuggle up next to it in the wintertime. They walk over it and under it. And they walk around the drill rigs on Prudhoe Bay. And because we have learned to live together, we have learned a lot from our wildlife biologists who are taking very, very good care of these animals. So you're going to learn a lot.